Hello everyone, today I'm going to be introducing a new series called Bachelor 101. So if you're a bachelor or you're a single Pringle, yes, stop scrolling. This video is for you. I'm going to be introducing easy to make and delicious recipes for you to try out. Don't worry, you can always come back to thank me later. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be sharing a very easy noodle recipe. I have my chopped tomatoes, my chopped bell peppers, some eggs, some onions, some spring onions, some habanero pepper, and of course the star of the meal are noodles. In a pot of boiling water, I'm just going to be going in with my noodles. Yes, I'm just going to take that off the pack and I'll be adding it to the pot of boiling water. Once this is done, I'm going to give this a quick stir, and then I'll cover and allow to cook. So I wouldn't be cooking this for so long, just a little bit so it doesn't overcook. And then I'm going to be draining the water. Yes, I want to take off the starch from the noodles. In a pan, I'm going to be going in with my oil. You can use your vegetable oil, olive oil, canola oil, and then I'll be going in with my already seasoned eggs. I seasoned with some salt and a little of the seasoning from the noodles. I'm just going to be scrambling this. Yes, I'm not frying this the regular way, just scrambling this as part of my ingredients for the noodles. Stay with me. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to also like and comment. Our eggs are ready, so I'm taking this out, and then I'll be going in with some oil, and then I'll be going in with my chopped onions. Yes, once that is added, I would also be adding my chopped tomatoes. I would allow this to fry for a bit, and then I'll be going in with my bell peppers. I'll be making use of green, red, and some yellow bell peppers. I know it makes the food so colorful. I like. Once I've added that, I'll be going in with my chopped spring onions. Give this another mix, and then I will be adding some habanero peppers. If you've been watching my videos, I'm sure you must have heard me make reference to how hot this habanero pepper is. So I always add a little, but you can use as much as you'd like. Once this has been added, I'll be adding some of the seasoning from the noodles. Give this a good mix, and then I'll be introducing my fried eggs or my scrambled eggs. Yes, I would add this, give this another good mix, and then I'll be adding my boiled noodles to this. I would also be adding some more noodle seasoning to this. Yes, and then I'll give this a very thorough mix. My bachelors, how are you guys doing? This is a very simple recipe to make, right? Try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? Yes, so once this has been stirred properly, we keep stirring. It's more like a stir fry noodles. Yes, keep stirring to ensure the ingredient mixes in properly, especially the noodle seasoning. Once this is well mixed, I'm going to be tasting it to ensure, of course, I'm the chef. I need to taste this to ensure it tastes good. Yes, our noodle is ready. I'm just going to be taking it off the pan, and then I'm going to be serving it in a plate. Guys, what do you think of my noodles recipe? Very easy to make, right? Would you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, so this is a very quick dinner, lunch, breakfast fix. Yes, and our food is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.